welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. And Marcia speaks about her giving back and the charity work that she's doing. And she's explaining, where she's giving from and how she will be given. So, guys, come and catch up with you. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, my followers, and whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day.
If any one of you harass me one more time, find some other programs to go on. Especially if one of you disrespect me ever again. Wait on your time. Just like how Marcia Campbell wait on my time. And as I said before, my blessing when we get from God, I had to sow seed. And I had to be committed and dedicated to the Lord. And every day me get up, me make sure so me promote him. Me promote him. So when me get my blessing, me not share God blessing when me get from God. Any blessing when me share out there must be YouTube and Facebook. But not the blessing them where God give me. Otherwise, I will donate YouTube and Facebook money, but no other money. Me not donate. The only donation will coming out of that is tithes, 10% to give to the church. And I'm going to make that clear. I don't want nobody calling my phone at 7:30 or 7 o'clock in the morning and harassing me. That is out of order. Wait. I waited. I had to wait over a year and a half. And waiting for me to see the blessing where God bless me. You understand? So me going to encourage, wait. Because I'm sure as hell not get no money from nobody out here. Nobody not send nothing can give me more than the 5 people who donated the money if you reach $200. Nobody not send nothing. And the acquaintances that I have who send the first set of money, nobody not send nothing. If me say me going to buy a fridge or a stove, it will come. Me have other priority to me bills to pay America. I'm sure as hell. Now go through when me go through in a 2021. And in a 2023 and 24 in the first part, me now go through that. Me gonna make sure I make myself happy, honey. That's nobody no want to give nothing nowadays, Nobody no want to give nothing nowadays, especially when it come to me. Because through them see me live my life like that. Me in a restaurant every day, all my food them talk about. What makes you not cook? What makes you not do this? What makes you not do that? Nobody no want to give me nothing. And that now stop me from living my life. Any man when me a date with them have to carry me out. On the weekend. They have to carry me out. I'm not sitting in a no house with no man and cooking no food. Not no big food. Them have to carry me out, come go to one little place, come spend. If them did that date, one other call a woman and carry them out. Me I brought them in that. Because when it come to different nationality and different origin and of human race out here, it's only them have we as a black woman a cook and a clean and a wash. And when them date other them clothes a go dry cleaner. Them a carry flowers and them a carry other woman and argue we. And we must sit down and cook up big fish and big curry goat and big all kind of thing and name in our house and them have we lay down in the house. No, not me. Not this a girl here. Me grew up in a too much society life. Me grew up in around people and me I treat myself and I care up myself from me a 18-year-old me I go to a restaurant every week. and I will continue. Me as a single black woman, and no man now have me sit down in the house per weekend and working as a single man with no children or a woman and have me in a house cooking no food when we can go out and have a little bite. Don't tell me say you can't spend $150 on me. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me say you can't carry me go spend $150. Because if you got red lobster feet, one red lobster, then the ultimate feast is what, 40 something, 40 what, $43 or 40 something dollars? A glass of lemonade is maybe like $8 or something. Don't tell me you can't spend $50 a week by me. Don't tell me that. Me work more than that. Don't tell me that you can't spend $50 per me. Don't tell me that you can't spend $100 per me a week. Don't tell me that. So anybody want to sit down and broke a man bad in them house as a single woman and you have a woman a date and him keep on making excuses for type of excuse to carry you out, then it's your business. My man if you carry me yourself, me get fired. Because if me a date and if me have to go out by myself, then I don't need to be in a relationship with nobody. Make that clear. As ugly as me is, I have to carry me out. I may believe in if if a man carry out this week, you pay the following week. Nothing wrong with that. And I stated it from a long time, and I've always been that way. You must pay for bickle for name too. You go to the movies, especially if you know what kind of money I date and how the pocket them stay and certain jobs and certain things or whatever. You can pay a modern time now. But some of you woman who don't want to pay nothing. Who don't want a man to carry no 20,000 times because then get the coochie. Well, I know so well no not have no good relationship. A woman must pay for things too. You did a good name your meal and name because some of you woman name more than man. You no greedy. The time did I put on big fake here and a big sitting for dress up to go out with man for look all kind of way. Man no interested in that. We no go buy one look cheap wig like man look good. And take your money and put it on the ass belly. Man no care nothing about that. Cause no matter how you dress up or you go on him still look on somebody behind said we look better than you. So you have to know what you have and the quality that you have. Some of know who no company page a bright you out of the way. Me an independent woman. From long time before me met a friend, a man, me have tear myself out every week. So what make you think say me can't carry myself out? What make you think say me have to pay for a man? Then I will face him out here. What me have? What make it say me have a mind, man? Me and the man I go shopping, him tell me say listen, I want to go to the mall. Cause me have to me go buy up some things. Me say let's go. I was hungry. Me say let's go. We going inside, go eat something before me walk up and down. And from yesterday we supposed to go to the mall, go shop with him. I'm traveling very soon. All of a sudden me a buy something for man. Eh? I sit down out there because my foot tired. Sit down on the bench and him did call me and look for me. So how is it now? Me a pay for man. Me go in the store and buy something for myself. One skirt, $14.99 from $30 in a store. I could have put it on the bill. I didn't put it on the bill. Him a cash to me a cash. I could have put it on the bill. And that's how me stay. Because me don't want a man pay for a $14 skirt for me. Pan sale. If a man not pay for something for me, it have to work money, it have to worth $100. A perfume or some Victoria's Secret sit now and bought and body. When me not put $14 per bill, figure buy a bill. No. Me know me are independent one too. We take this thing for that's why a lot of you guys don't have no relationship. You don't have any. Because this is the mentality that you have. And this is to show that you know a bunch of you out there who are very lonely. You are very lonely. Because nobody not caring out. It's called jealousy and bad mind. I am sitting there talking and the woman right depan hold on there. Cause me not even see some message until me roll it up. Hold on there. Cause you don't need to the yeah. Cause you don't need to hear this a conversation. You go about your business. You know, so me just start see the comment them. I just start see the comment them. Mm-hmm. I just start see the comment them and pass confused. Mm-hmm. I just start see the comment them start pop up. Hmm? Come and sit down on the bed. Oh, she don't have nobody beside her. Then me ask a question. Then me could I me I go in a public place because sit down and me by beside me. I'm there talking. She that by we looking straight through the glass. She not have nobody beside her. Then all you face is somebody through the glass, and if we're sitting on a stool bench, our back is turned to the window. People are coming and you face a man through glass. You must see the man through the glass when our back is turned. I'm him there one side, I'm there one side, and our back is turned, and we dey on a high stool. Like when you go to Red Lobster and you go to places and the table them full up and them say, would you like to sit at the bar? And you can have your meal there to and eat. But when I like to sit down, like I chair too high, you always hurt my back. Then uno have the nerve to come on people page. Go make yourself happy. Go and make yourself happy. You not sound like a damn idiot. Go and make yourself happy. Life is short right now. I see him yesterday me dey on the highway. I come start sing a song and I say I bet him I get some bad news. And I surely heard some bad news. I surely get some bad news. Same I was seeing my friend and me see saying quiet and him look kind of look away. And me I said to him, say, why not smile? Why don't you smile and him said, and I mean I talked to him about something and me accuse him of what I was saying to him. We're talking about traveling and all kind of something and he was said no, and that matter he said, why don't you ask me why am I looking so sad? And sometimes we just have to know how to talk to people. Hi Sophia, how are you? Him said me get some bad news. My best friend girlfriend dead. Just like how him dead 18 years ago. And I say, wow. I look at me and say, and after him tell me, say, same way friend dead, and the same way woman dead. And I say, wow, that's why I was sad. And he was explaining to me, I said, I'm the one who, from my friend dead, I'm the one who helped take care of them. Send money to Jamaica, take care of them. I help out. And and so forth. I explain the situation of one of the children that their mother gone. And she was just having a headache and he just dead. Care got doctor and dead. You see what I say? And when you look at the woman I see a age group like mine. A same age group like mine. So uno out here coming up people page. Attack up all kind of things. Then I have time to come sit down and attack and I sit down and I say them have man side them and I have the man side them. Nobody have time to play a game. Uno study me and know when time I play a game for when I start a game. Me glad somehow uno take it. Me glad somehow uno fool run with all kind of things all the time. Me glad to tell you the truth. Me glad that some of you guys run away with things all the time. Because uno no know me when me a joke from when me not joke. And the first thing, she buy a cocky partner and I get no draw. That is one cocky partner me have and me get draw. Me get love, affection, and attention, and anything me ask him for doing, do it. And anything me ask him for engage to me. So if it's one cocky partner me a draw, me a mine, or whatever me get in draw for it. Him never turn me down yet. And him surely give me 100% undivided attention. Him no shame and nah about me. Him a open doors, him a wall and him a chops in a public and behind closed door. So that is one cocky partner me knows definitely say me get my draw. Me not ask you. If someone only that get the love and affection and attention when me get, only that glad to carry one man out. If you go get no cocky partner. Of course, I jealous then jealous Sophia. Because them a run down man with money and big car. And them now get the tension and the love when me I get. And whatever it is. And the man them now make no time for them. And I jealous them jealous because them sit down up there and I talk up all kind of things. Cause them I say me no this and me no that and me no have this and me no have that. So me get money from for mine man. And a man I work. I mean I work. Me nah work. Me a sell tool sheep but me a mine man. And me have to take care of my overhead expense. The people are miserable, of course. Because them sitting down, some of them won't date a man who not drive. Much less. Me see nice man out there call to me and them don't drive and top a bus stop at the bus and station. Nice man. Them some of them women don't want them. That's why when me go to a club in a Hartford, Connecticut and whatever it is, them claim to say the man them mean and them no want them. I don't mean them mean I wanna want everything for the man them no have it. It's uno want the man them to come pay on a whole $1,400 out of rent, $950, $1,800, whatever uno have and take care of a dozen pitney. The man them a run. That's why when time I go club, the man them segregated. I look at them and when me go club, the man them there east and woman there west. One bunch of woman them man top in a one corner with them brethren. Them rather fi stomp at the bar with them brethren and chat up. And the woman them did they dress up like a post foot and the man not even look on them left, right, nor center. And when me talk to them at the same thing, no, me no want nobody. Me tired to see them girl here. Look on them. And I me they want. I don't watch her program, so I have to address her. You ever hear me come out address her? I don't listen to me. I don't go looking for people who me not watching. I do not go and look for people who I do not watch. So you know have to tell me say if you don't address her because if I don't have no time for people. Me not go on them people page. Once you cross path with me, it's a certain thing me not go on your page. If me hear what people say, I'm my supporters and can tell me. Because I make sure so I go on social media and me press pan Harley channel them. I do not want to see this. Every last one of them. So if me want to see them and me have to Google them and me have to go in a YouTube go type up them channel. Because me go and press pan everybody. Because me reach a point in my life now, me not have to hear when I say. So I go on my page and I press and said, I don't want to see this channel. So make them stay over there and do it. So if I want to hear them say, I have to go type up. So a lot of them when me used to pop up on my front of my screen, when me go on YouTube, me not see them. Because I make sure so me go pan YouTube, pan them channel itself, and press the dot and I put I don't want to see this channel. Me can't keep on arguing with dead souls. Because I'm not dead. I'm still alive. So it make no sense to make my good up people and behind closed door get upset with me. Me have some prominent people if the amount of message when them text me and send me motivation. And they like, Marcia, you're better than that. Because we talk to you behind closed door. Don't come out and argue with these people.